How to manifest using act as if. You all know how important it is to think positive while manifesting your desires. And this is one of the most important secrets to the law of attraction. But the reality is that the law of attraction is much more than just thinking positive. And one of the most important factors of the law of attraction is the act as if technique. Whether you want to manifest your dream job, your dream car, your dream home, or a successful business, or love, or a perfect health, this marvelous technique will help you in many ways. So stay tuned with this video as I'm going to tell you how to manifest your desires, your dreams, using the act as if technique. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it and press the bell icon to never miss out on what's coming up next. Okay, let's get started. You see, only thoughts cannot help you to manifest your desires. And you really need to act. That is why the act as if technique is really important for you to achieve your goals, your dreams. But what does this technique mean? It simply means that in order to attract something in your life, you need to act as if you already have that thing. This doesn't mean that you need to fake it. And always remember that the law of attraction is purely based on true energy. So in order to use the act as if technique, you need to follow 3 simple steps. Step number 1, be aware of your thoughts and emotions. The first step to use the act as if technique is to become aware of your thoughts, become aware of your feelings and emotions. Because if you are not aware of them, then you cannot transform them into positive ones. And without positive thoughts, you cannot act as if you have achieved your goal. And self-awareness is very, very important to be the best version of ourselves and also to use the act as if technique. And there are many ways through which you can become aware of your thoughts, your feelings. You can ask some powerful questions to yourself, such as, what is keeping me away from manifesting my dream job? What I am afraid of? What is my inner voice telling me? Are my beliefs positive enough to manifest my desires? Am I creating any negativity within me? And when you will find answers to all such type of questions, then you will gain a deeper view of how you feel about your desire. You can easily mark the points where you need to change so that you can start manifesting your goals, your desires. And another effective method is journaling. So write down all your thoughts, your emotions and feelings in a daily journal. This will help you to dive deep into your subconscious mind so that you can start using the act as if technique. Step number 2, act as per your desire. Now this is the main step where you need to act as if you have already manifested your desires. And the best way to do this is to imagine how would another person would act if he has got that thing. Just put yourself out from your shoes and try to imagine as well as act like that person. The way you speak, what you speak, how you present yourself in front of others, the things you will do, the things that you will not do, how you handle money, how you spend your time, the way you treat other, the way you think about others, the way to take decisions, the decisions you take, the way you think about any situation, any difficulty, or the way you think about yourself. So you need to change each and every action as per your desires. Step number 3, be committed to your desires. Being attached to your desire is the biggest blockage that you can create in the path of manifestation. So don't get attached to your desire while you are using the act as if technique. Instead, be committed to it. Your actions should come out from your commitment and not from your attachment. When you are attached to your desires, then you will get emotionally involved with it. So you will freak out easily at every failure or every difficulty, every problem. But when you are committed to your desires, then you face any failures, any difficulties very bravely and focus more on solving the problems. So let go of your attachment and be committed to your desire. Now that I have told you the 3 powerful steps of using the act as if technique, just try it out and share your feelings, your comments, your experiences with me in this comment section below. Thank you very much for your time.